Look, ID identification, that is what has made Europe near Broche. That Ghana card should not even be a contentious issue. Ghana card should not be a contentious issue. Broche will be a card in Dubai. Hey, who do I be ID card? There should not be. This is the bogus issue. This is the idea that Ghana Posika, NBC Posika woman, the Posika woman, not allowing the poor almost floating. Ghana card. It has come to stay. Let it be there. Let it be there. What I say, it has come to stay. Let it be there. Ghana card should not be an issue. So let's focus on the actual issue, which is economy, economic some unemployment. Those are the issues about Ghana. It was a cardinal sin against himself. It was a cardinal sin against Baumia. It was a sin to Ekufado. It's a sin to the people of Ghana, and it is a sin to Baumia. Second time, I want him and Kofi Jari Baumia. Most of it. Now, if you have sentiments, well, a friend, a sentiment which is on the ground, no, and Shannon Koyema, number 2. And I was second time, incumbency disadvantage for real. Because one day, incumbency disadvantage for real. What you do, say, you make sure you reduce what analysis you are making. You reduce your weaknesses. You reduce your threats. What am I doing here, Commander in Chief Ghana Shawasa? Set up ready for some person honor will start where you can decide you are rejecting it. I told you to about year and Baumia we know, Muhammad we know. You have about 1 month or a week to hand over. Sometimes so better make a to statue. But you chose to say in the middle of elections, 1 month to elections, after now Papa a statue. That's not good. Before Bian for that party is originally an NPP stronghold. So Nkobia shouldn't even get anything wrong to say about statue, no. But if you hear what people are saying now, it shows me that that's incumbency disadvantage. We are here and now we bombardment back from all cylinders.
Abusua me makwa babium edeba otun for TV plus. So obaso abomodi ase over subscribe, like, comment. Esa share mami. Na abusua Brim Lady adwa popia eden nsem bia ba abontin. Efa Prophet One nsem okopie mo John Dramani Mahama meeting the clergy Kumasi edition no. I say about Ghana card nsensem no. Na Brim Lady enso atutuja ede ama Prophet One say asem obusa ene de 77. Na adwan say 10 pesos square no. Abusua me say nyame na America yenko na go hwe video ni bi bra ba e beto aso
Israel bi sa ne say nyame ya adom na so be president a nyame ya adom na so be president a nyame ya adom na so be president a sa project na omoja to ho no obeye ni den iti constitution no nyame ya adom na so ba on sisemo se government ba no obeye project a when we are new government ba on hwese on to aso na ntumi boa
ne ba so yamra yesa benkum yamfa mienu nka ho yamra
if I show me did the Reverend Paul Mensa if we believers chapel worldwide masem bakwa me pese
yes me pastor manenko
nsemo odi abayina
onyame wotumi onyame owotumi Jesus Christ owotumi ede Awurade ase yesha onyame enumonyam se Awurade ya dom ne yehia mu ha ayame de bebre se menim panifo adehye yewura president asofo panifo Awurade nhira mo se yehia mu ha Awurade nhira obia Awurade na meso ahyenkom last year 30th July 2023 bibia ntimi nsesa onyankopon ti yewura domama esa bakonya no so biem Awurade na ka kira me ana me kan ewiase atumfo biara Awobani atumfo bia entimi ntwam. Na bibia no obi ye nso a ebetima te sa Awurade adwen e wo ho. Awurade sha Ghana man nyina. Anabiem na misra busa se Ghana card etimi me yenya ka. Ebetima me yenya ka free because cost wo manimu a me mente ase. Be se me ma obi anso nu se Ghana card ebetimi de yenya ka free a. Cause bibia no e kire sa se betimi de yenya ka free. Oma biem no wa ye check ka free wo. Enam be se me busa sa Asem no ne ewura president yi ano ma me misra na da Roma. Se ebetimi me yenya ka free a na ma yemfa ya ho ntoso because yentimi nya na ye yesa nti sa na da Asem no eno no Ghana card na me te say etimi me yenya ka free etimi me yenya Land Cruiser ye benya ship kratinam ye benya private jet no misra mo ayano kra na say enya no kra munche me nyina ye ho bi amen.
Yamo yensema prophet one. Say Reverend Opambo Asem bisa idie. Minim say Asem bisa be yenyina ye nimanu ye no. Ana meboa. Yenim say Ghana card etimi ma ye car free. Ana wiem shen free. Eriti yada prophet one ase. Hwede e wunia pa. In 1 minute me ba be yasa announcement no. It was so food bia wo ha bia. Nidie kwa so tena se mai. As our father, the flag bearer of the NDC, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, exchanges.
In the meantime, Prophet One, you say Prophet One Kumasino. He's also open Mahama Sempa. This we coordinate about the same. Prophet One, I know any shenanigans near the end, but I think that this issue about Ghana card, anybody who condemns Ghana card now, said you Brumanu, said you said you why you know from because look. The identification, that is what has made Europe near Broche. That Ghana card should not even be a contentious issue. Ghana card should not be a contentious issue. Broche will be a con in Dubai. Hey, who will be a ID card? There should not be. This is the bogus issue. This is the idea of Ghana Posika here. NBC Posika woman, the Posika woman, not allowing the poor almost floating. Obiaska woman, the Ghana card. It has come to stay. Let it be there. Let it be there. What I said, it has come to stay. Let it be there. Ghana card should not be an issue. So let's focus on the actual issue, which is economy, economy, unemployment. Those are the issues about Ghana and Ghana accordingly. It was a cardinal sin against himself. And it was a cardinal sin against Baumia. It was a sin to Ekufado. It's a sin to the people of Ghana, and it is a sin to Baumia. Second time, I want another one here and for the dry Baumia. Most of it. Now, if you have sentiments, well, a friend, a sentiment which is on the ground, no, and Shannon Koyema, number two, and I was second time to incumbency disadvantage to real. Because one day him to incumbency disadvantage to real. What you do, they say you make sure you reduce what analysis you are making. You reduce your weaknesses, you reduce your threats. What am I doing here, Commander in Chief Ghana Shawasa? Set up ready for some honor will start where you can decide you are rejecting it. I told you about a year and Baumia we know, Mahama we know. You have about 1 month or a week to hand over. Sometimes so much more erect to statue. But you chose in the middle of elections, 1 month to elections, after now Papa a statue. That's not good. Before Bian for Tapadi is originally an NPP stronghold. So Nkobia shouldn't even get anything wrong to say about statue, no. But if you hear what people are saying, it shows this that's incumbency disadvantage. We are here and not way bombardment back from all cylinders.
Abisua when is MBA adwa popia vim lady. And so editu and I say Obeka fa prophet one sema okobi sefa Ghana card no. We say oba so bomodi answer oba subscribe like comment and share my card and every share.